Segal would like to welcome you to today's webinar presentation, What Health Exchanges Mean to Plan Sponsors and Plan Participants, What Sponsors and Participants Need to Know. Now I would like to introduce Howard Goldsmith, Senior Vice President, Regional Public Sector Business Leader.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to our rescheduled webinar about health exchanges and what they mean to public sector plan sponsors and plan participants. I am Howard Goldsmith. I am both a consultant to our public sector clients and a regional business leader to the public sector market. On behalf of all my colleagues at Segal and my joint presenters, Joanne Husted, Chris Hepner, and Rick Johnson, let me welcome you to this webinar and thank you for taking time from your schedules to join us. Since our original scheduled date of this presentation, which was just 10 days ago, a few key things have occurred, including significant weather events and a presidential election. As a result, our warm thoughts go to all those impacted by the storms, and we can confidently say that the provisions of the Affordable Care Act to be discussed now are with us and here to stay. We have a large and diverse public sector constituency with us on this call today, and to all of you, we believe now is the right time to understand more about the health insurance exchanges for several reasons. First, the state exchanges are supposed to go live in less than 14 months at January 1st, 2014, and the open enrollment period to sign up for the exchanges is less than 1 year. Not a lot of time. Second, all employers must notify employees about the existence of state exchanges no later than March 2013, even less time, which means that employers and sponsors of plans may begin getting questions about the exchanges from participants or, in the cases of consortia plans, from participating employers. Finally, we want to make sure that you as a stakeholder, whether sponsor, participant, or bargaining agent, are in a position to debunk some common misunderstandings and answer important questions about the exchanges. As the agenda slide in front of you shows, we will be reviewing the following. What are health insurance exchanges? How might exchanges affect public sector plans? How does the premium assistance tax credit work? How can exchange modeling help? And what else should stakeholders of public sector health plans know? It is now my pleasure to turn the presentation over to Joanne Husted, who will review the first question, what are health insurance exchanges?
Thank you very much, Howard. As you know, a central goal of the Affordable Care Act, or the ACA, is to lower the number of uninsured people. And there are lots of different ways that the ACA seeks to do this. All of them take effect in 2014. The first three on this slide, shown in gray, we're just going to talk about a little bit now. The focus of our presentation today will be on the second group of three. But let me start with the individual mandate. This got a lot of publicity because it was challenged in court and was a very important part of the Supreme Court decision that was handed down in June of this year. This is the requirement that people have health coverage in place or pay a financial penalty on their tax return. The second mechanism is eliminating pre-existing condition exclusions. This is a problem in the individual market, not so much in the group market because of reforms that took effect a long time ago. But this is very much an issue in the individual market where health insurance companies refuse to cover people because they have health problems or they charge them a lot more because of those health problems. The ACA has addressed this so far just for younger people under age 19, but starting in 2014, this ban on pre-existing condition exclusions will apply to all individuals. The third mechanism is expanding Medicaid to all people under age 65 with incomes up to 133% of the federal poverty level. This is a major change in the Medicaid program. Currently, in order to get Medicaid, people have to meet certain categorical requirements, pass an assets test, and have very low incomes. So changing this program to open it up to all people under age 65 with this higher income level is a very significant change.